to Houston. I asked if maybe she would like to steer. Now here I am in Georgia riding shotgun. She won't even let me touch the gears. She likes my big rig, she likes my long ride. You wanna see her drunken face when she climbs in. All night, well I can't believe my love. I finally find a girl who loves the truck. Rock and roll. Hey, that's not a gear shift.
Mama played piano in church every Sunday morning. Daddy worked hard to raise all his children right. They were fine, upstanding Christian folk, didn't tell any lies or dirty jokes. But strange things happened in our house on Saturday night. Yeah, we roll back the rug and dance. Slipping in and sliding on the hardwood floor, everybody got a chance. They would rock the whole house, twist and shout till the strong taste and stuff in the jug ran out. Roll back the rug and dance.
Qui n'a peur de personne, elle n'est pas des détails. C'est lui qui a les clés pour nous étonner. Bang bang le Québec, bang bang le Québec. Même les Dalton qui ne craignent personne ont peur de le Québec. Tenus par la loi, les n'échapperont pas au tir de l'ennemi.
I'm all shook up on, hey, yeah. Well, my hands are shaking, my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Now who do you think when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up on, hey, yeah. Well, please don't ask what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but feeling fine. When I meet a girl that I love best, my heart beats so that it scares me to death. So hey, won't you like it? The kisses on her like a volcano inside. I'm proud to say she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Don't know what it is that keeps him going. You know it ain't the money or the fame, and there's nothing on his mind that he can't leave behind. It's just part of that rodeo game. Don't you know cowboys cry too sometimes? You know they can't hide all the pain, and 6-hour drive for that 8-second ride. It's just part of that rodeo game. Truck stop up in Dallas, busted ribs and almost out of change. He tells her he might be home by morning. It's just part of that rodeo game.
She's got the focus, she's got the time, she's got a deeper shade in mind. She's got headphones, got spring break, a swimsuit and copper tone 8. She's working on a 10.
Everything's been spoken, heartache, sorrow, it's all gone tomorrow. I'm doing fine, I guess I'm doing fine. Wanna hold on tight, but I can't sleep at night. I'm tired, I'm whining, the sun keeps on shining and it's alright. I guess I'll be alright. Oh, yeah, yeah. I guess I'll be alright. What are you doing Saturday night? I get to think it will be alright. Wanna dance all night. I gotta get away. I've got a heart that's skipping beats, and if you see me out in the streets, I'll be doing alright. I'll be doing okay.
Sign in the window, sick for sale, train on the last remaining dinosaur Detroit made. $700 was a heck of a deal for a 400 horsepower jukebox. So wheeling the road rolls out like a welcome mat. I don't know where it goes, but it beats where we're at. We always say someday, somehow, we're gonna get away, gonna blow this town. What about now? How about tonight? Baby, for once, let's song them twice. Let's take the spin that never ends, and we've been talking about. What about now? Where should we wait? We could taste these thrills down an interstate and be long gone for the world moves on and makes another round. What about now? At the airport ticket counter, yes, another fare. At the beauty shop out the mall, well, just another head of fare. That's alright, that's okay. When you don't feel bored, honey, all I've got to say to the world, you may be just another girl, but to me, baby, you are the world. to the waiter at the restaurant. Yes, enough tip to the guy at the ice cream shop. Yes, another tip. And you can get reservations, 'cause you don't have the clout. Or you didn't get an invitation, 'cause somebody left you out. That's alright, that's okay. When you don't feel important, honey, all I've got to say is to the world, you may be just another girl, but to me, baby, you are the world. The rivers full, the skies fall, about as far as I can be from Kerosene Lane. Hear that rumbling sound, turn the highway down, find a place where no one knows my name. Back in Rockingham, I'm a wanted man, and I'll never be going back to Kerosene Lane. She was trouble, she broke me back. She left me standing with a smoking gun. She never told me she had a crazy boyfriend, and I can't undo the damage that's been done. Hear that rumbling sound, turn the highway down, find a place where no one knows my name. Back in Rockingham, I'm a wanted man, and I'll never be going back to Kerosene Lane. Why do they call it uptown when all we feel is low down? This city's gonna kill what's left of us. Let's move out to the country where living's like it should be. We can grow our own and build a home on love. I'm gonna write my boss a John Deere letter, overalls suit me better. This white collar stripes strangle me. Honey, we'll be happy ever after, you and me, and that old tractor on repeatedly. You're gonna break my poor heart and leave. Correct me if I'm right. I don't wanna know the truth. I'll believe some pretty lies, as long as they all come from you. Don't be afraid to say what ain't really on your mind. I don't think you still love me, so darling, feel free to correct me if I'm right. I crave an old-fashioned adventure, yeah, sometime away from day to day to get you. Need some kind of a break, like a hammock in the shade.